Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let me share some real talk about our Prime Shine polishing program. Now, this isn't just another product, Prime Shine. It has been around, proving its reliability year after year. Now, it isn't new, but it's gold. It doesn't just promise, it does deliver. A better finish, ease of application, cost effectiveness. Now, other systems might talk the talk, but Prime Shine, it definitely walks the walk with a finish that's not only superior, but also easier to achieve. Now, with a lower cost per square foot and faster floor delivery, it's a no-brainer. Plus, it's a wet polishing program, blending 4 diamond tools and 3 chemicals seamlessly. Now, it's not just about selling you a product. We're here to ensure you that use of Prime Shine effectively with real support whenever you need it. Now, you're stuck on the floor, you can give me a video call. Step by step, I'll guide you through until you can fly solo confidently. For more information, message me now.
Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I'm excited to introduce our 16 grit iSEG grinding tool. Now, this is a true industrial heavyweight in the world of concrete grinding. Engineered with a heavy concentration of high end diamonds, this tool is not just about grinding, it's about transforming your work. Now, the iSEG design means more surface contact, more efficiency, and most importantly, more precision. This tool is a game changer for Husqvarna and similar units, offering unparalleled performance in both grinding speed and longevity. It's not just about outperforming the competition, it's about redefining what's possible in concrete surface preparation. Now, we're not just selling a tool, we're offering a solution that will revolutionize your projects. With the 16 Glyseg, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let's talk about the Fast Prep 2022 grinder. Now, it's designed with attention to detail, compact for those tricky, tight spaces, but sturdy enough for larger tasks. With a solid 7.5 horsepower Baldor engine and reliable rotary gear system, it gets the job done, no fuss. Now, here's a straightforward bit. With the Fast Prep, you can cover more ground in less time compared to many machines out there. And when it comes to costs, we've positioned it just right. You get value without breaking the bank. Now, coating removal, hard concrete prepping, or heavy stock removal, the Fast Prep 2022 gets it done efficiently. Now, it's not just about speed, but also about quality of work. It ensures a clean, even grind every time. Now, with years of experience in the industry, we've crafted a machine that simply works well. No frills, just solid performance. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Ever wondered why some tools dominate over the rest? Now meet our 40 grit soft bond double rhombus grinding plate. The shape, it's no gimmick. Our unique rhombus design provides 30% more surface area. That's more grind with every pass. Now it's packed with 25% more diamond content. It's built to work hard and last long. It's not just another tool, it's a game changer. Then you got stubborn adhesives or thick coatings. This plate bites in deep, making quick work of even the toughest layers. Now, our soft bond formulation, it's tailor-made for hard concrete, ensuring top-notch performance wet or dry. Now, it's not just about selling product, it's about delivering results. And the double rhombus, it's proven itself on millions of square feet. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the 3-inch 76mm 10-seg 30 grit grinding disc. Now this is a tool with 10 segments. Each of the segments have rounded edges, so there's no straight edges, so you don't have any surprise rogue scratches in the surface. This tool really has some great wear rates to it. So you're looking at possibly north of 20,000 square feet easily of wear. It's great for, if you want to get rid of any contamination to the surface, if you just want to do this like true refinement to the surface, if you want to get rid of any type of light coating buildup to the surface, is a great tool. If you're on very soft concrete and you need surface area, this is a great tool to have. It's great on light machines. On heavy machines, it can be used wet and or dry due to the waterways. It's a great tool that we use for wet grinding. Another thing about this tool is for the 30 grit, we put a very heavy concentration in the tool. So each segment, when you look at it, you're going to see a lot of diamond points, and that means a lot of diamond points touching off on the floor. That means you'll be very efficient. You'll see your machine fly. For more information, message me now.
Jordan here with US Abrasives at Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the Prepmaster. This is so you can retrofit your drive plates, take any diamond tools that make your grinder better. You know, so if, right now, like let's say for the Prepmaster, they're offering you diamonds that has too much surface area. And maybe you want a little bit more point pressure so you can do a little bit more efficient stock removal, or just a removal of a coating faster or whatnot. With the RF magnetic series, you're not married to any company's tooling. So if they're on a proprietary style diamond tooling, you can buy diamond tooling from anybody. If there's a guy in your backyard who has done the research and development to develop diamonds that are better for the concrete in your backyard, well, then you can go and deal with them and possibly save a lot of money by the end of the year, maybe north of 5%, 10%. That's a lot of money, and it adds up. And this way you could also, I mean, you just see your production rates just go up per hour. For more information, message me now.